Question 1. What was the code name for the nationwide civil defense mock drill conducted on May 7, 2025? Correct answer is B. Operation Abhyas. Question 2. What is the rank of India in UNDP Human Development Index 2025? Correct answer is A. 130th. Question 3. Which operation has the Indian Army recently launched against terrorists in Kashmir? Correct answer is D. Operation Kela. Question 4. Which state of India hosts the 72nd edition of Miss World 2025? Correct answer is B. Telangana. Question 5. Who will become the second Indian to go into space after Rakesh Sharma's historic space journey in 1984? Correct answer is A. Shubhanshu Shukla. Question 6. Which state has become the first fully literate state in India? Correct answer is A. Mizoram. Question 7. Who has become the first Indian lawyer to receive the Medal of Honor from the World Jurist Association in May 2025? Correct answer is A. Bhuvan Ribhu. Question 8. Which city has been officially declared as India's first beggar-free city? Correct answer is B. Indore. Question 9. Recently, who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is D. Ajay Kumar. Question 10. In which city is the new BrahMos missile production facility being established in India? Correct answer is C. Lucknow. Question 11. Operation Black Forest against Naxalites has been carried out on the border of Chhattisgarh and which state? Correct answer is D. Telangana. Question 12. What is the rank of India in World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is B. 151. Question 13. What is the goal year for delivering India's fifth generation fighter jet under the AMCA program? Correct answer is C. 2035. Question 14. Who was posthumously awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for contributions to Indian folk music? Correct answer is B. Sharda Sinha. Question 15. Nai Disha initiative was launched in which city to reintegrate school dropouts into the education system? Correct answer is C. New Delhi. Question 16. Which glacier in Asia was officially declared dead on May 12, 2025? Correct answer is B. Yala Glacier. Question 17. Which two Indian states will be connected by the country's first interstate cheetah corridor? Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Question 18. Which two literary figures were jointly awarded the 58th Jnanpith Award? Correct answer is B. Gulzar and Rambhadracharya. Question 19. Who was elected President of the Supreme Court Bar Association in 2025? Correct answer is A. Vikas Singh. Question 20. Recently, the Government of India has designated the 23rd of September as which day? Correct answer is A. Ayurveda Day. Question 21. Which Indian state launched the Jyoti scheme to educate children of migrant workers? Correct answer is D. Kerala. Question 22. Which country has officially become a member of the New Development Bank? Correct answer is A. Algeria. Question 23. As per the report, Mizoram achieved the milestone of becoming the first state in India to attain 100% literacy. What program helped Mizoram achieve this literacy milestone? Correct answer is C. Understanding lifelong learning for all in society, Nav Bharat Sakshata Karyakram. Question 24. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize? Correct answer is C. Banu Mushtaq. Question 25. Which country is now the fourth largest economy in the world? Correct answer is C. India. Question 26. Recently, who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is A. B.R. Gavai. Question 27. In which state was the Indian Army's Teesta Prahar exercise conducted? Correct answer is A. West Bengal. Question 28. Which state topped the medal tally of 7th Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is D. Maharashtra. Question 29. Which of the following operations will be launched by security forces for the safe conduct of the Amarnath Yatra? Correct answer is D. Operation Shiva. Question 30. Which newspaper has been honored with UNESCO Press Freedom Prize 2025? Correct answer is D. La Prensa. Question 31. Who becomes the first American to become Pope? Correct answer is C. Robert Prevost. Question 32. On which date World Red Cross Day 2025 is celebrated? Correct answer is B. 8 May. Question 33. What is the name of the military operation launched by India on May 7, 2025, targeting terror camps across Pakistan? Correct answer is B. Operation Sindoor. Question 34. Which state is home to India's first artificial intelligence data center park? Correct answer is D. Chhattisgarh. Question 35. Which program has been recognized by the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration as one of the top 10 world restoration flagship initiatives? Correct answer is C. Namami Gange. Question 36. In which state or union territory, India's largest conservation reserve Sarapchu is established? Correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Question 37. Operation Olivia is conducted every year by whom? Correct answer is D. Indian Coast Guard. Question 38. Recently, who has been appointed as the head of National Security Advisory Board? Correct answer is C. Alok Joshi. Question 39. Which country becomes third largest producer of wind and solar energy? Correct answer is C. India. Question 40. Which dam is at the center of the ongoing water sharing dispute between Punjab and Haryana? Correct answer is A. Bahakar Nangal Dam. Question 41. On which date World Press Freedom Day 2025 is celebrated? Correct answer is A. 3rd of May. Question 42. Which new sport has been approved for inclusion in the 2026 Asian Games for the first time? Correct answer is B. Mixed martial arts. Question 43. What does the image released by the Indian Army represent in the word Sindoor? Correct answer is B. A spilled bowl of vermilion symbolizing grief and resolve. Question 44. Which Indian city was recently inducted into the WHO Global Network of Age-Friendly Cities and Communities? Correct answer is C. Kozhikode. Question 45. The Overseas Citizenship of India scheme was introduced by amending which act? Correct answer is B. Citizenship Act, 1955. Question 46. On which date National Anti-Terrorism Day 2025 is celebrated? Correct answer is D. 21 May. Question 47. Recently President Draupadi Murmu invokes which article for Governor Bill Assent powers? Correct answer is A. Article 143. Question 48. Which country launched Operation Banyan al-Mahsoos against India? Correct answer is A. Pakistan. Question 49. Which country has recently named the cyclone forming in the Andaman Sea as Shakti? Correct answer is C. Sri Lanka. Question 50. Which ministry launched a tech-driven initiative called A04 to boost India's cybercrime fighting capabilities? Correct answer is A. Ministry of Home Affairs. Question 51. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated 103 Amrit stations in 18 states under which scheme? Correct answer is A. Amrit Bharat Station Yojana. Question 52. India has received the Certificate of Elimination of Trachoma as a public health problem from the WHO at which event in May 2025? Correct answer is A. 78th World Health Assembly, Geneva. Question 53. Bharat Seva Kendra is a nationwide initiative launched by which institution? Correct answer is A. Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Question 54. Recently, Bhuvan Ribhu became the first Indian lawyer to receive the World Law Congress honor. What is the name of the global legal network founded by Bhuvan Ribhu? Correct answer is D. Just Rights for Children. Question 55. Who received the Global Indian of the Year award from the Canada India Foundation? Correct answer is B. Sadhguru. Question 56. Who has become the youngest Indian to complete the 7 Summits Challenge? Correct answer is A. Vishwanath Kartiki Padakanti. Question 57. Who released the coffee table book on PMAY in Nagaland? Correct answer is D. Zalio Rio. Question 58. Recently the first edition of Khelo India Beach Games is set to take place in which union territory or state? Correct answer is B. Dadra and Nagar Daman and Diu. Question 59. Which organization has launched the Campus Calling program to promote gender sensitivity and student safety? Correct answer is B. National Commission for Women. Question 60. The recently launched Sachet app has been developed by which organization? Correct answer is C. National Disaster Management Authority. Question 61. What is the theme for International Nurses Day 2025? Correct answer is A. Our nurses, our future. Caring for nurses strengthens economies. Question 62. Where is the new off-campus center of the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade being established? Correct answer is D. Gift City, Gandhinagar. Question 63. What is the primary objective of the Cashless Treatment of Road Accident Victims Scheme, 2025? Correct answer is C. To eliminate financial barriers and reduce mortality by providing prompt trauma treatment. Question 64. What recent agreement was signed between India and the United Kingdom after over 2 years of negotiations? Correct answer is D. Free Trade Agreement. Question 65. Which award will Sonu Sood receive at the 72nd Miss World Festival? Correct answer is C. Humanitarian Award. Question 66. What is the theme of the BRICS Energy Ministers Meeting 2025? Correct answer is C. Empowering Global South Cooperation for Inclusive and Sustainable Global Governance. Question 67. Britain has signed an agreement to hand over the sovereignty of the disputed and strategically important Chagos Islands to which country? Correct answer is B. Mauritius. Question 68. Which country has launched the first AI satellite to build the world's first supercomputer in orbit? Correct answer is D. China. Question 69. During NEET 2025, which biometric method did UADL test for verifying candidate identity? Correct answer is C. Aadhaar-based face authentication. Question 70. Recently who inaugurated the 7th edition of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025 in Bihar? Correct answer is B. Narendra Modi. Question 71. The HAROP drone is developed by which country? Correct answer is C. Israel. Question 72. What technology will be used to deliver internet services under the Airtel Africa SpaceX collaboration? Correct answer is D. Starlink satellite communication.